Hi everyone, it's great to have you here. The holiday season is here, and while it's a time filled with joy, love, and celebration, it can also bring a lot of financial stress. We all want to make the holidays special for our loved ones, but that doesn't mean you need to overspend or go into debt to do it. Did you know that nearly half of holiday shoppers last year used credit cards or loans to cover their expenses? That can lead to months, if not years, of financial strain. But don't worry, because today, I'm here to share practical tips to help you navigate holiday shopping on a budget without sacrificing the festive spirit. Let's make this season memorable and stress-free. So first, let's talk about something simple but so important: setting a budget. I know it sounds basic, but a clear spending plan is your best defense against overspending. Start by figuring out how much you can realistically afford to spend without dipping into savings or taking on debt. Write down your regular monthly expenses, things like rent, groceries, and bills, and see what's left over. That's your holiday budget. Then break it down further. How much for gifts? How much for decorations, food, or travel? Having these numbers in front of you makes it easier to stick to your plan and avoid that close your eyes and swipe the credit card experience we've all been guilty of. And then, now that you have a budget, the next step is making a list and sticking to it. Think about everyone you plan to shop for and write down ideas for their gifts. This helps you avoid those spur-of-the-moment purchases that add up quickly. It's like going to the grocery store with a list. It keeps you focused and makes shopping less stressful. And here's a tip. Check your list twice to see if there's anyone you could combine into a group gift or simplify with a Secret Santa exchange. These small changes can make a big difference. Another way to save is by being intentional with sales. The holiday season is full of tempting deals, but before you buy something just because it's on sale, ask yourself, would I still buy this if it wasn't discounted? Focus on using sales to get items already on your list, not adding new ones. Price matching can also be a great tool. Many stores offer it, and it's worth asking about. Speaking of being creative, consider giving homemade gifts or experiences instead of material items. Baking cookies, making personalized crafts, or putting together a photo album can be far more meaningful than an expensive gift. And when it comes to experiences, think about what your loved ones enjoy. Maybe it's tickets to a local event, a day at the park, or even a simple potluck dinner. Time spent together often means more than anything wrapped in a box. For those of you with unused gift cards lying around, why not put them to use? There are websites where you can trade or sell your old gift cards for cash or discounts. This can free up extra funds for holiday spending without touching your wallet. And if you're planning to give gift cards as presents, you might even find discounted options online to stretch your budget further. Let's not forget the importance of managing expectations. If your budget is tighter this year, it's okay to be upfront with your family and friends. Suggest lower-cost options like a gift exchange or setting spending limits. Most people will appreciate your honesty and probably feel relieved to follow suit. After all, the holidays are about connection and gratitude, not how much you spend. And finally, remember to stay mindful. Social pressure and flashy sales can make it hard to stay on track. But keeping your long-term financial goals in mind can help. Think about how great it will feel to start the new year without the stress of holiday debt. Use tools like shopping apps or browser extensions to find the best deals and stick to your plan. So, there you have it. Practical ways to make the most of your holiday shopping while staying within your budget. Whether it's setting a spending limit, giving homemade gifts, or just being mindful of your purchases, these tips can help you enjoy the season without the financial hangover. Now, what about you? Do you have any budget-friendly holiday shopping tips to share? I'd love to hear them, so drop a comment below. And if you found this helpful, make sure to share it with someone who might need a little holiday shopping inspiration. Thanks for spending time with me, and here's to a joyful, stress-free holiday season.